Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and firmware so nothing blocks data paths. First, confirm your laptop exposes Thunderbolt 3/4 or a supported PCIe external interface. That's the only reliable way. Next, pick an eGPU enclosure sized for your chosen GPU and rated for its power draw. Use an SFX PSU if the card needs extra amps. Once done, update BIOS, Thunderbolt security settings, chipset, and GPU drivers on the laptop. Make sure firmware and driver versions match the enclosure manufacturer's recommendations. Now you physically assemble and link the systems. Open the enclosure, seat the GPU firmly into the PCIe slot, attach all required 6/8-pin power connectors, and verify the cooler and bracket are secure. Once closed, connect the enclosure to your laptop using the supplied Thunderbolt cable. When prompted, authorize the device in Thunderbolt Security or Host settings. After the OS recognizes the hardware, install or update the enclosure firmware and the GPU drivers. Reboot when prompted and make sure Windows Device Manager or LS finish by configuring how you want apps to use the eGPU. In Windows or Linux, set preferred GPU for games and apps or route external monitor outputs from the enclosure. Make sure you understand internal display versus external display performance trade-offs. Run a benchmark or game to verify stability and monitor temps and power. If performance or recognition fails, reauthorize the Thunderbolt device, update enclosure firmware, try a verified TB cable or different port, and confirm BIOS, Thunderbolt settings, and security levels are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.